One chance today, enter there.
My name is SP Grace Irenge Koko, Police Public Relation Officer, River State Police Command. The operative of the River State Police Command, while acting on credible information, on Friday, 14th April 2023, acted on a tip of a kidnapping and armed robbery case reported to the C4 Intelligence Unit on January 15, 2023, proceeded to Kano State Police Command on investigation activities and successfully effected the arrest of one Abdullahi Ibrahim male and recovered a black 2010 Toyota Metris with registration number SPR 283TA and a blue 2008 Toyota Camry with registration number ABC 4980. Similarly, police operatives successfully trailed and arrested his co-conspirators, one Tamno Kombia Okare, male, age 23, and a native of Okrika in Okrika local government area, one Vincent Konobia, male, age 20, and a native of Gokana local government area, and one Monima George, male, age 22, a native of Buguma in Asarotaro local government area, all in River State. Also, following the earlier arrest of an armed robbery stroke car snatching syndicate, the recovery of arms on Monday, 8 May 2023, operative proceeded on investigation activities to Abuja, Nasarawa State, Gombe, and Adamawa, Kano on the basis of actionable intelligence, where they nabbed 5 members of a car snatching syndicate responsible for the theft, interstate movement, and sale of stolen vehicle. They included one Shehu Shagari, male, aged 33 years old, from Kano State. The Kano State, who is in the major receiver of stolen vehicles from one Hamuzan Babangida, male, who is based in Port Harcourt, and a direct receiver from one Tamno Kombia, male, aka Okurubo, a suspected armed robber who is a native of Okrika and who has been convicted and imprisoned severally for a similar offences, and one Abubakar, male, aged 37 years, of Kala local government area in Borno State, who confessed that he bought one Prado Jeep from Shehu Shagari at the rate of 5 million naira, and he resold the same to one Alhaji Abdullahi, male, a Cameroonian.
My name is Tamno Kombia Okare. I'm 28 years old. I'm from Okrika local government, and I'm here because of armed robbery that they caught me off. Inside the armed robbery, we snatch people's cars and their property and went and sell them for a living of life.
So where were you arrested and when were you arrested?
I cannot remember the date I was arrested, but I was arrested at Abasha police station when we went to snatch car.
How many cars have you snatched in the course of this?
In the course of
Since
this,
you started this the business, how many cars have you snatched?
8 to 9 cars. 8 to 9 cars.
Okay, so now why, as an able-bodied young man of 28, why did you choose this kind of lifestyle?
I did not choose the kind of lifestyle, but things is so difficult for me based on me and my children and my family. My wife died and left me with the kids, so I'm no helper, no relation, no school, no handwork in life to help myself with. So that was why I was forced into crime.
How many children?
3 boys.
So now that you have been arrested, how do you feel? What's the next thing for you now?
I feel so embarrassed for my children. For the sake of my children, I beg for forgiveness from the federal court and from those who are listening me. I'm so sorry. It's not my fault. I didn't wish to live such a life.
My name's Johnson N. Mwabweze.
Okay, what is it? So what is the issue? Tell us, how old are you, and what has brought you to the police station today?
Okay, I'm 30 years old. I was arrested for kidnapping charge. I don't know the lady. It's a lady. I don't know her name. So I'm from River State as well. So when they arrested me, they said that a lady was kidnapped and I was the one. They was tracking my number. So that was how I was arrested by the police and brought down to this station.
Okay. Now, when you kidnapped your victims, where did you take them to? Which part of River State? Which part of which local government? Where did you keep your victims?
Actually, I was not the one that kept the victim. Once after when she was kidnapped, so they dropped me on the way and carried her down to the place where they went to drop her. While I was not there with them. That, no.
Just tell us the name of the place.
The name of the place is at what do they call it? This Grita side. That along Grita Road. Yes. This what they call it? Chokocho. It's at Chokocho. That was where I was dropped along the road and drive down to where they are going. I don't know the next thing they did there.
Okay, so they took the victim to Gruta.
Yes.
So now I want to know, this AK-47, this rifle, how did you get this rifle? Who gave it to you? If you bought it, how much did you buy it? Where did you buy it from? Tell us about this AK-47 rifle that was recovered.
Okay. The AK-47 was bought by a student, and he said he bought it 700,000. He bought it, so he was using it for school parade as he was a courtesan. So he gave it to me to hold it for a meantime, and he traveled.
So now he gave it to you. Then what happened?
Then he gave it to me to the person who was the person is like a friend to me. So that was the person who said I should come along so that we use it to do a little illegal business, which is kidnapping. So after using it for that kidnapping, it was recovered by me.
So tell us, this person who gave you the AK, is a student. Is this currently a student of which university?
Okay. Yeah, he has graduated from just final year student from Uniport.
So where is that person now?
He traveled out.
Traveled out?
Yes.